to develop a project. Number 6, refinement of ideas. Following on from your further experimentation, you should now be at the stage where you have a good idea on how you plan to develop your ideas into a final outcome. This stage is all about refinement of ideas, which means to improve. It is important to remember that there are no limits to the amount of experimental pieces you can make. The more you explore, the more informed your development of ideas will be. Once you feel confident that you have carried out enough experiments with materials, techniques, and processes, you can now begin refining your ideas. Remember that this is just one example of a refined project. It's not expected that you will have explored the same materials, techniques, and processes as those displayed here. This stage is all about improving your ideas and taking them forward to producing a final outcome. Begin by creating initial composition designs for your final outcome if you haven't already. Create as many designs as you like to get a really good idea for the best composition. Then select the most effective design, the design you believe to be the strongest and most interesting. Next, refine your design further. Could it be more detailed? Could it be better compositionally? Select the most effective materials. What worked best? Look back at your experimental studies. What worked and what didn't? Select most effective techniques. Again, what worked and what didn't? Select most effective processes, and again with processes, which of your experiments worked well and which could you perhaps disregard at this stage? Do you plan on combining media or different processes? Lastly, annotate as you go. Jotting down what you have done, whether or not it was effective, and what you could try differently is helpful in giving you direction.